If you want to add resources to your modules reading list that don't appear in library search or are outside of the library's collections, you need to make sure that you install the Talis Bookmarking Tool browser extension. In this video, we'll show you how to install the browser extension in Google Chrome, but versions are available for most major browsers. However, we do recommend using Google Chrome when managing your reading list. First, search for the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the web store, in the search bar at the top right, search for Talis. There should only be one result, and this is for the bookmarking tool. Click into it. You'll then see the option to add the extension. Once you click this, a pop-up window will appear at the top of the screen asking you to confirm that you want to install the browser extension. Click to confirm. If you then click on the jigsaw piece icon at the top right of your browser, you can then click on the drawing pin icon so that the Talis bookmarking tool is permanently pinned into your toolbar. The first time that you click on the bookmarking tool, it will ask you to select your institution. Select Royal Holloway and then click Save. You can now use the bookmarking tool to bookmark resources that don't appear in library search or are outside of the library's collections. You can check out our video guide on how to do this, linked at the end of this video.